The state of Karnataka, where BJP leader and Karnataka MLC C.T. Ravi arrested over the alleged objectionable remarks made against Minister Laxmi Hebbalkar, has been released on bail. The Karnataka High Court found his arrest procedurally flawed, ordering his release and urging Ravi to fully cooperate with the investigation. The case stems from an altercation during a legislative session where Ravi allegedly made offensive remarks. In fact, Justice M.G. Uma raised questions about the urgency of the arrest, stressing the need for legal protocols. Ravi counsel cited Supreme Court's guidelines, also highlighting injuries Ravi had sustained during his detention. The court's ruling actually reiterates the importance of due legal process as investigation continues. The BJP leaders will be holding a press conference shortly on this very issue.
The illegal arrest of MLC Mr. C.T. Ravi. Now the grounds were, we have not asked for bail. It is not bail that we have asked for. An interim prayer which we have asked for is to say that the arrest is not in accordance with the guidelines as laid down by the Honorable Supreme Court, which is followed by the Honorable High Court of Karnataka, which is also a direction given to the state government as well to say follow these guidelines. It's a notification to the effect. None of these guidelines have been adhered to. They go ahead, arrest him immediately, and that too, these are for offences of. I'm not trying to trivialize the offence in any manner. I'm only saying the offences are 75 and 79. 75 and 79 of BNS, the erstwhile 354A and 509. One of the main contentions which we have taken is that if it is an offence which is punishable within 3 years or even 1 year, 354A is 3 years and 509 is 1 year. What is the need for an arrest right away? That is what the Honorable Supreme Court says. Now, one of the most celebrated and recent judgments is Arnab Goswami. These guidelines were there, and that is where we went before the Honorable High Court right away. It is not bail that we have sought for, and it's not squashment of the FIR that we have sought for.
I knew the result would be in our favor. I believed in God, and I believed that He would he'd get us justice. The allegations, when I heard about it, I was definitely shocked. But I know my father. People all around Chikmagalur know my father. He's a very strict man. He would not talk he wouldn't use such vulgar language to anyone, especially towards women. So I was definitely shocked when I heard about this. But I know my father. He treats everyone with respect, be it young or old. He talks to everyone with respect as well.
After the last 24 hours, how do you feel of that news issues and your father also been hurt and every night is going on other 8 districts also going all of the night. How do you feel on that?
The last 24 hours was definitely right. There were a lot of emotions. I was worried a lot, especially when I saw that he was arrested. I don't know why there was such a sudden arrest. Even considering the fact that they just drove around aimlessly, took him around to a bunch of places. Especially when I saw his head injury, I was really worried because I definitely got scared as to what will happen to my father. But when I heard about the court result, it was definitely a big relief for me. I was extremely happy, and I knew that the result would be in our favor, and I never doubted my dad for a second.
Actually, regarding C.T. Ravi issue is concerned, according to the Congress Minister Laxmi Hebbalkar, he abused with abused language. He abused against her in the Vidhan Parishad township, and C.T. Ravi immediately denied that statement. What are the allegations made by her against C.T. Ravi? He has denied that allegation, and the government has to take the note. Afterwards, he has launched a complaint. Immediately after launching complaint, police department takes the FIR and immediately take the cognizance and arrest.
Viewers coming on your screens. In fact, C.T. Ravi will be holding that very press conference in some time from now. But yesterday, after getting an interim relief from the Honorable Court, C.T. Ravi had said that he was treated like a terrorist. In fact, today also he's expected to speak on this very matter. But for now, an interim relief coming to the way for C.T. Ravi. In fact, Ravi has also accused the Congress-led Siddaramaiah government of acting like dictators. In fact, this statement also came after his arrest. It's not only the state leadership which is talking about this issue of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, former Chief Minister of the state, Baswaraj Bommai, also spoke on this very matter, and he said that there is police raj which is prevailing in the state of Karnataka.